Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherTech under-seat cargo storage system for Ram 1500 trucks. Let's get into it. All right, this happens to be for Ram 1500 crew cabs. This is going to sit underneath the second row in that truck. It's a little organization system. If, you know, some trucks, I think from the factory, come with something similar to this. But this is a nice aftermarket solution for organizing some cargo underneath that seat. All right, this is a nice molded plastic product from WeatherTech. A couple things I like about WeatherTech. Number one, they're 100% made in USA product. You know, they're not like a globally sourced company or anything like that. They manufacture a lot of their products right there in their facility outside of Chicago. You know, you may know WeatherTech from their floor liners or floor mats and things like that, but this is another product that they make out of plastic. They're kind of molding ninjas. They've got thousands of different molds that they manufacture, specifically for vehicles, but also for other segments as well. You can see we do have a little compartmentalized under-seat storage system. Again, this is going to go under that crew seating row in your Ram 1500 truck. See, we do have a little bit of separation right here. Little container over here, little container right here, little container right there, and a pretty simple product. Underneath, it's just a nice, smooth surface. You have a little WeatherTech badging right here. Assuming you're gonna see this underneath the seat a little bit. There was a little installation kit included. Let's go ahead and open this up. Just have a little belt clip here. It looks like there is a location, at least on this side, to use this, integrate it with. But they do give you a little install guide right here as well that shows you how to attach this to the truck. I don't know if this is specific for the Ram 1500 or if this is just kind of a generic installation instruction. It looks like it might be generic. Just kind of find a place where you can tie this down. Gives you a clip, so if you need to remove it, hose it out, things like that, you can remove it from the truck without having to untie everything and all that. And makes it super simple to clean and maintain. Another thing I like about WeatherTech is they have that lifetime warranty from the factory. You're gonna be protected from any defects. It's gonna last you for the long haul. Now, if you're looking for this under-seat storage system or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.